Hi guys, it's Sean at Structure Custom Builds again. Wanted to continue on our talk and our walkthrough over the mechanical space for our older house. So like I said, this is a very big house, big footprint, a lot of square footage we have to deal with. So we went over all the electrical low voltage that goes into it. Next I wanted to talk about our HVAC. We've got two systems in this house. This system is going to be for one half of the house, and then we have our other system over here that's going to be for the other side of the house. So these are heat pump systems, going to be very efficient, run off of electricity, so no gas that's required for the HVAC system. So yeah, that's going to be our systems. We're going to have two units on the outside that work in tandem with these to help heat and cool the house. So really cool feature. Over here, this client decided to do a rough-in for a future washer and dryer later on down the road if they wanted to. So they've got a gym over here. It might be nice to then come over here, throw your gym clothes inside the washer dryer. I have to take them upstairs to do the laundry. So as we work our way around, we've got electrical hanging out of the wall. This is going to be for our water heaters, okay? Two wires, two tankless water heaters. So these things are going to mount onto the wall and then hook in right here, and then we'll send it on from there to different parts of the house. So as you can see, we've got three lines. Okay, we've got a line for each of the water heaters, and then we're going to have a recirculating line, which is basically recirculating the hot water inside of the line so that when the fixture all the way on the other side of the house calls for hot water, you turn that on, you have on-demand hot water. It's constantly recirculating that hot water throughout the house, so it's right away you're getting that hot water. So really cool detail with the tankless water heaters. Again, we got another one over here, so two recirc lines, two hot and cold lines going in and out. So second unit for the west side of the house, we've got a floor drain. Studor vent's going to be over there. This right here, this is going to be our lift station. So when this client started this project, there was an old structure on the house or on the property. Okay, we came through, demoed that structure, but the structure was a house that just basically sat on top of a crawl space. So the sewer line was not very deep. Okay, so when we're building now a house with a basement, we have to be able to get the wastewater out of the basement up into the sewer line and then out to the main sewer. So we've had to do a couple things here. We've had to add a lift station, which is basically going to have a pump down at the bottom of it. It's going to collect all the basement wastewater, and then it will eject it up through our lines here and then out through our sewer line out to the main sewer right here. Okay, so you can see our sewer line is coming in about 5 feet up off of our basement floor. So we need to be able to get that wastewater from the basement level up 5 feet and then out. That's why we do this lift station here. So pretty cool detail there.